guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by Myfirstwig. The wig comes pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-styled as a side part. So the wig is ready for you to install straight out of the box. You guys can see the hairline looks so good. I need to wet the hair, style the hair, and then honestly, this Pixie wig I feel like is perfect for summer. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go do my makeup and then come back and show you guys the finished look. So literally when you get this wig, all you have to do is just to install the wig, and you can wear the wig glueless. Look at how clean the hairline looks. It just looks so good. So the wig is literally ready for you to install straight out of the box.